Today we rented a car and we're going to a little castle and a big mountain. So here we're sitting now with a little bit of a drink. So when we're finished, we go.
First to the castle, then to Mount Ainos.
Yes. Had a nice lunch and now we are going to Mount Ainos. Yes.
Oh, I'll bring a blankie your way, do. And if things go bad, you're on your last card, do. Oh, I'll bring a lot to your way, do. If when the sun don't shine in the morning time, I use the halogen make it shine. So I'll chase the darkness away. So I can never understand. You said you need time and space, only on the weekend. But I listen, kept on driving away. In my moto, 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 in my moto. All of my G's say make I move slow. You do me things when nobody else know. I know you poison deep in my soul, but I know leave you alone, long. I been there, you see fentanyl. Make I know if you know the evil way you do me or the low. Oh my baby, we be like oil and water. All of me, but you know I can never refuse you. I just see your face in my review. Now I'm all alone in my nuku. And only me the fire down, vroom, vroom. Saw you with a Valentine substitute. Feel I say my tummy down, lose it. I hope he give you all the whole wide world. While I cry alone. In my moto, in my moto, moto. In my moto, in my moto, in my moto, moto. In my moto, in my moto, in my moto, moto. In my moto, in my moto, in my moto, moto. In my moto. When it's cold and clouds are raining outside, do. Oh, I'll bring a blankie your way, do. And if things go bad, you're on your last card, do. Oh, I'll bring a lot to your way, do. If only sun don't shine in the morning time, I use the halogen make it shine. So I'll chase the darkness away. So I can never understand. You said you need time and space, only on the
Going to the airport because Lotte, Jesper and Louis going home.
In my moto, in my moto, in my moto, moto. In my moto, in my moto, in my moto, moto. In my moto, in my.
So, did you enjoy your week?
Yes, we did. We really did. We saw a lot of beautiful places. First on the boat, and later on we went to a marina and drove around the island, which was also really beautiful. We went up the mountain. For the first time, we felt some cool breeze.
Yeah.
I love that. So yeah, it was a great week.
That's great to hear. So, and now going home, and that's great also.
Yeah, I look forward.
Yeah, your own bed.
My own bed, yes.
Yes.
En Louis?
And maybe some rain.
Louis, heb je naar je zin gehad?
Ja.
In my moto,
Ja, hè?
in my moto,
Nou, mooi.
in my moto,
Nou,
in my
to the airport.
moto, in my moto, in my moto, in my moto, moto. In my moto, in my moto, in my moto, moto. In my moto.
If I hang around for one more round, I'm gonna call her up. I should leave right now, head out of this town, but I don't trust my truck. Cause there's a highway shorter you can cry on, a 2-lane you can change your mind on. When a bottle and a Silverado ain't fast enough. That's why God made airplanes and runways and half-price taking one-ways. If I can get high up off the ground, ain't got the wheel, can't turn around. Show me a place without her in it, I'll be there in a New York minute. 'Cause if I'm driving, I might hit the brakes. That's why God made airplanes.
Hello. We're on the south side of Kefalonia.
Oh no,
Yes.
still in Kefalonia.
Yeah, I know. Terrible, but no, it's not terrible. We want to leave today, but we have to go on shore, buy some medicine for Roy for his ear. And then hopefully later on the day we leave to Messalongi in the neighborhood.
We're in Scala. Yeah, we're in Scala. It's on the east side of Kefalonia. It's a nice place. It's very touristic, but touristy. It's very touristy, but it's okay. It's nice and cozy. It's cute for making a holiday here. But they rent also the little boats.
Yeah.
Look. And they're making a lot of waves. Oh, a big wake on the backside of the boat. So that's not nice. So we are leaving.
Finally, Roy, leaving Kefalonia.
Yeah. Careful what you say.
Just quiet. After.
I was here 11th of May.
Yeah. We did go to Corfu, but
Yeah.
came back. My sister, the neighbors were here. That's very nice, but it's a long time for us to stay on one island for that time.
Happily, Kefalonia is very beautiful.
Yeah.